on the dotted line. Let's fill the doubt for your freedom ring and patriotic voices sing. Red, white, blue, never give up. You represent America.
Hoping and praying for a brighter day. I listen to my heart and I obey. How can I see it any other way? I'm looking at my life with my own
Hello everyone. We're here in Perham, Minnesota, and we're looking at a touchless car wash today. Looks like we got a laser wash here.
Hello, welcome to Perham Tutorial. Select your wash or enter your code now. Please use exact change only.
Sorry, Code Dispatch, but I'm not using exact change. Instead, I've got a wash code to use. So let's see, 836830. So 8, 3, 6, 8, 3, and then 0.
You have purchased the works wash. You may enter the wash when it is ready.
And I think it is by the arrow.
The wash is now ready. Please drive it slowly following the entrance sign on the car wash.
Ah! Laserwash 360. I haven't seen one of these in a while. I like this style laser wash. This style 360 or 360 plus, but probably not much of the newer one. I consider this a true laser wash. Alright, it's just soaking. We're on our laser wash. Oh, here comes our triple foam. That I would say is a pretty good coverage. I do love the beautiful rain. Ooh, overglow. Laser rinse? Yeah, definitely the laser rinse. Must be our turtle wax. Comes the rain again. Okay, here comes our spot-free rinse. System. Well, from the Premier company. I don't know if this was a laser dry or max air or something. Probably not. But I would assume it's a new dryer system. Maybe it's there for a while. Who knows? Got 46 seconds on the clock. Seems to be drying the vehicle really well. Seconds, 25 seconds. Alright, looks like we made it. Wow! I have not been in a Laserwash 360 standard in a long time. I'd say that's a pretty good wash. What do you guys think? Well, if you guys like the video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And if you love our videos from the Simple Exciter YouTube channel, like let's say No Limits 2-PSI or Simple X40 5120 or even educational television videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification button. That way you don't miss a video from me. But until then, we will see you guys next time. Bye everyone.